I wanted to learn what you could do with the Alexa Skills Kit. I wanted to see what was possible. I created Would You Rather just because I was trying to learn. Then I got a phone call and it was like, did you know that this is one of the most successful Alexa skills and we're going to pay you money for it? My background is as a designer. I would never call myself a developer. My two biggest skills are a game called Would You Rather and the other one is a game called True or False. We keep seeing people coming back again and again because they find those experiences valuable. And then I started thinking there might be a real business in building Alexa skills. So I hired another developer and then a business person to support me, and then two further developers, and now another content person and another conversation designer. The rewards program made everything possible. You asked me a year ago if I was going to end up here, and I would not have predicted it.